So hi guys, welcome to my channel Punj Technology Classes. So this is the first video on this channel and today we will learn how to install VS Code. VS Code is a IDE which we call Visual Studio Code. So let's begin the video and go further on screen and watch it how to install it. So nothing to do, just type VS Code download. You click on first website. This is the official page of Visual Studio Code. If your PC is 64-bit, then click on 64-bit. If your PC is 32-bit, then click on 32-bit. So how to check this? Minimize it and click on your start button. Right click on computers, and here you can see my PC is 64-bit, so I downloaded 64-bit and the download is start automatically. So wait for the download. So download is completed, and close this website and close this tab and run the installer. So I already installed this, so I have this error message. Click on OK. I agree. Next, and then click on install. Wait for the installation. So it is installed successfully. Click on finish, and if you type Visual Studio Code, you can see here your Visual Studio Code is installed. Thanks for watching, and we will meet in next video.